Small businesses employ almost half of all private sector workers in the U.S., yet owners consistently spend their unpaid evening hours manually entering receipts and reconciling accounts. Today, we are clearing away the paper and automating that process. We will use Claude for Small Business, a package of pre-built workflows designed to plug Anthropic's AI directly into the software you already use, handling the heavy lifting of your month-end financial close. To follow along and set up this workflow, you need three things: an active Claude account, your primary admin credentials for QuickBooks, and admin credentials for PayPal. By shifting from manual line item entry to AI-driven data matching, you can generate an accurate accountant-ready financial package in minutes. You get your books closed, and you get your evenings back. Here on the Claude Cowork dashboard, our first step is to open the Integrations menu on the left side of the screen. First, you activate the Intuit QuickBooks integration. Claude uses this connection to read and write your core finance data and prepare tax information. Next, you toggle on the PayPal integration. This gives the system secure access to your billing history and dispute data. Note that both of these toggles will prompt a login screen. If nothing happens when you click, check your browser's address bar. You likely need to disable your pop-up blocker so the authentication windows can load. Establishing direct data connections between these isolated software tools is required. The AI agent needs full visibility into both platforms to accurately match sales with bank deposits. With the tools connected, navigate to the Workflow library, select the Finance tab, and click the Month-End Closing task. When you hit Start, you transfer responsibility to the AI. You stop doing the data entry, and you become the auditor overseeing the work. This diagram illustrates the background logic. The agent pulls incoming PayPal payments, drawing connecting lines to match them against QuickBooks cash balances. Operating at computing speed, it cross-references a month's transactions simultaneously, sorting verified matches into a reconciled folder. Instead of a human manually opening two different tabs and checking hundreds of line items one by one, the system matches the clean data instantly. This eliminates the risk of human transcription errors. Once the initial pass is complete, Claude generates a single-page business overview. This dashboard synthesizes your overall cash position and sales trends. This dashboard immediately directs your attention to unverified data. You can see the bright red notification badges sitting right next to the Discrepancies Found header. Click the badge to open the flagged items. In this case, the AI has isolated a specific PayPal transaction fee that exists on the payment processor side, but is missing from your QuickBooks ledger. To resolve it, simply select the missing fee, categorize it under your standard banking expenses, and click Save to align the two records. The workflow is explicitly designed to surface these complex discrepancies. It forces the business owner to see the specific errors and address them, ensuring the final numbers are strictly accurate. You should never approve financial documents without completing this audit. Blindly trusting AI output creates liability. After you have resolved the last flagged discrepancy, scroll to the bottom of the dashboard to reach the final approval stage. Here on the final screen, you must check the verification box and click the Sign Off and Generate Action button. This is a hard-coded operational safeguard. Claude is physically restricted from sending, posting, or paying anything until you provide this manual authorization. Click the button to approve your audited data and trigger the document generation. By mandating this step, Anthropic ensures you leverage the raw processing speed of an AI agent while maintaining your own strict accountability over the business finances. This is your final generated profit and loss document, cleanly formatted and presented directly beside a downloadable zip file containing your complete closing package. Your books are reconciled, the month is closed, and this file is ready to be emailed straight to your CPA. This exact same framework of connecting platforms and running agentic workflows works across your entire software stack. Apply it to analyze HubSpot data, create promotional materials in Canva, or manage contracts in DocuSign. Setting up these workflows produces clean, accurate financial reports. But more importantly, eliminating hours of manual data entry allows you to log off, step away from the desk, and reclaim your time.